ibhodi le-Eskom belizochaza ngezinyathelo eselithathile emva kokuvela kweinsolo zika-Director. Kuzo kubalwa imali engango-100 billion amarandi athi u-Director yebiwa u-Eskom njalo ngenyanga, ukwebiwa kwamalahle no-oyela, nokungalandelwa kwemigomo yokuthengwa kwezidingo zenkampani. Ibhodi lithi laba nomhlangano ophuthumayo emva kwalezi insolo lapho lavumelana khona ukuthi limdedele lingakashaya isikhathi sokuhamba kwakhe e-Eskom u-Director ngokuthela ngechilo inkampani.
A good number of the allegations that were tabled misled the public as if there were new developments that had been shared firstly with the board. That was not the case. Secondly, it would have misled the public in indicating as if though there was no action taken internally by Eskom.
uMakwana utshele iParliament ukuthi ibhodi angusihlalo walo alinalwazi ngophenyo lwenziwa nguDirector luxhaswe inkampani ezimele ololumayelana neinsolo zenkohlakalo eyenzeka kwa-Eskom.
The first time that the board got to hear from a hearsay point of view was when there was that article by Amapungani indicating that they were in possession of the intelligence report.
Lokhu kwathusile amalungu eParliament abesexina wayengusihlalo wayebambile webhodi ngenkathi kwenziwa lolu phenyo uProfessor Malekgapuri Makgoba ovumile ukuthi wayenolwazi ngalo.
You deny the board the information which is necessary for the board to act on matters which are very crucial on an institution which is failing in a number of instances.
I understand what you are saying. I'm only telling you what took place in reality. That once the board deemed this an operational matter, it was the responsibility of the GCE to do what is necessary to be done.
I-Eskom ithi kusukela ngoMbasa wanyakenye yedlulisela amacala okuntshontshwa kwamalahle no-oyela ophikweni lama-Hawks oluphenya amacala abucayi angu-83 kanti sekuboshwa abasolwa abangu-76. Ibhodi le-Eskom lithi liphinde lasungula isigungu esizimele sezomthetho elizobhekela lonke uphenyo lwangaphakathi kwa-Eskom.